Easy way to achieve lock extension on 3B/3C hair. Lock journey. Temporary lock journey. Easy jumbo lock braiding, extremely beautiful. Hello family, it's your girl FineHair. Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to achieve lock braiding step by step, how to achieve a simple and natural looking lock protective style waist length. So we start by applying lock and we braid. That's why it's the step by step how to braid. The first, you get the extension, and the second step is for you to apply it on the natural hair. Then you start braiding the base to make it nice and pretty. Nice and pretty. Okay, so I'm braiding it now because we want it to look very natural lock, jumbo lock. Have you subscribed yet? If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Smash the notification bell so whenever I upload the video, YouTube will notify you. If it's your first time here, thank you for watching, and please do come back again. If you are my returning subscriber, thank you so much. And my new watch, please subscribe so you'll be getting updates on how to braid your hair, how to lock, twist, and natural way to grow your hair nice and healthy. So the next step is by threading, like African threading. So I thread it all the way to the where her natural hair stop. So I'm going to show you in this video all step by step. So watch till the end of the video if you also want to know how to add beads to your hair. So I'm threading it. Threading, as you see, all her natural hair is finished. So I'm going to start threading it back to the root where I started braiding. As I'm doing, I'm going back. So the first one is you thread it from the root to the ends where her tip of her hair stop. Then you now braid it again, like threading. Like what I'm doing is what I meant. Thread it again all the way back to the root. Again, for this video, that is the step and the style of what I'm doing. So I'm threading all the way to the root now. And when I get there, I'm going to now thread it back again where I'm going to tie the hair with the extension. I'm going to show you all that. So I tie it to make it nice and secure. Again, you can also use a glue if you don't know how to tie, but in this video I show you a tying method. So yes, that is how the distress lock looks. So this is the hair that I'm using. I'm going to tell you all about it. So watch till the end so you see. I just loop it inside the loop because this lock comes with a loop. So I loop it. And what did I loop in it? I loop is a kinky hair that I loop in it, and that will make it to be all nice, natural looking. So this, I section the hair in a buzz shape. So this is a jumbo buzz lock that I'm doing. You see, that is the size of the hair that I'm using in each. So this is the hair that I loop. I use my right finger to hold it, then I apply it to the root of her hair, right? I use my left finger, hold it nice and tight like I'm showing you right now. Then my right finger has the hair. I apply it to the root. Then I use my left finger, pat it, you see. Then I grab the hair from my right finger. I do the same concept. I turn it around. Then I do use my fourth finger to hold it in place so it does not come out. See, my fourth finger hold it in place. Then I do it. I'm going to buzz braid this hair. I'm going to braid it a little bit off her scalp. And when I'm going to start threading it, I'm also going to thread it to be a little bit loose but not too loose so it will not put tension on her natural hair. Again, the hair that we use is a lock, distress lock. Then what I'm using to wrap it around is a kinky hair. I'm going to show you the hair. So watch. So you see the hair that I use in this video. So I continue wrapping it around. Then the next is I tie. After I tie it, I'm still going to continue looping it. Wrap and wrap and wrap and wrap the hair to make it nice, pretty, neat. So that is another extension. The longer ones, I use it to wrap it. That helped me to, I made it long because her hair, her natural 4C is also 3C, excuse me. Her hair is 3C. I loop it all around and all around to where her natural hair stops to make it nice and pretty, and also protect her ends too. So after that, as you can see, all her natural hair is done. I'm done looping it around. You don't see it anymore. So I tie the hair. After I tie it, then I now start looping it again back to her scalp or to her root. I do that to make it nice and secure, and also so this hair does not come out after I finish braiding it. I use my right finger to smoothen. As you see, I'm smoothing the hair as I'm wrapping it around. I make it nice and smooth. Okay, so I tie it to make it nice and secure. So this I'm doing is how to lock braid. It's a step by step, and it's also how to achieve simple and natural looking lock protective style. Again, you might be asking, who can do this hairstyle? As long as you have your hair nice and healthy, your hair is not damaged. Because if your hair is damaged and you do this lock, because your hair is going to be covered for 6 weeks or 4 weeks, it's not good for your hair. So your hair has to be healthy, because it's going to be low maintenance, which means you're only going to be oiling and moisturizing your scalp only. Okay, so but if your hair is damaged, you probably will need to be doing deep condition every week or every 2 weeks. So that is why I say that you do not have to do this style if your hair is damaged, family, because you want to grow your hair nice and healthy. But if your hair is already in a good condition, yes, you can do this protective style to keep it locked. And also, who can do this style? You can do this style. You can do this style if you're looking to lock your hair, but you just don't know how it would look on you. So you want to do this to see, okay, does it look good on me? Will you like it? Or will you not like it? So you can also do this style. Okay, so I continue doing the same thing, wrapping it around, all around, all around. Hey family, do you have any question? If you do have question, please comment it in the comment section and let me know, what did you like more about this method of wrapping it around? Do you prefer this, or you still like the crochet method? And also, will you like me to do a video on crochet method of lock? If you do, comment. I would like to read, and I'm going to do video about that. Okay, so the same concept, I continue. I tie the hair, then I continue wrapping it around until I get to the end of where her natural hair stop. So yes, this is easy way to lock your hair. This is easy way to do a temporary lock if you want to do lock. And also it's a distress because there are a little bit of loop left aside. So let me know what hairstyle that you want me to do next in my next video. So I continue wrapping, So I tie it to keep it nice and secure. So you see, I put my thumb and I loop over my thumb, then I bring it, pull it down, then pull the hair itself too. Loop it again, bring it out, loop it again. This is nice, tight, secure. Okay, family, yep, that is how we do it. Just keep doing it. So practice and practice do make perfect. If you do this for the first time, you did not achieve your end result, don't give up, continue. So that is the distress. The distress, those are the distress lock. So we have all the hair. I'm just showing you what you do. You pat the hair from ear to ear, then you put it all out, just making it to be a little bit nice and even. Nice and straight. Okay. Okay, family. So yeah, I continue sectioning the hair, patting the hair. Yeah, patting the hair. Feel free to comment. And then I use a clip it. So this is the hair. I put my finger in, add the kinky hair. Once I add the kinky hair, I now place it. So in this, I'm going to show you another method to apply your hair. So we section it in two. I apply the hair in the middle of the hair. So hello, this is the hair that we are using in this hair video. Is a kinky. The brand is model, like modeling something. And this is how the hair is. It's actually colorful. It feels so nice and soft. And this is the lock distress that I'm using. It came 6 in a pack, I believe, 6 of them, and each pack contained 11 locks. I ended up using 3 of the locks because it was more of a jumbo lock. Yeah. Okay, family, back to the video. So yes, I sectioned it in the part in 2. Then I put just like that. I'm going to apply this hair in the middle. I know the other one I was showing you how to do it from the back, just as a beginner. Okay, so let's say we have gone better and better. So we start from the middle now. See, apply the hair, then I start buzz braiding. Comment, am I too fast? Can you understand me? I would like to know, family. We are family here. So yes, please talk to me. Talk to your girl, FineHair. Or comment in the comment section. Also follow me on Facebook, Instagram. I'm going to leave my link in the description. So yes, feel free to ask question, comment, let me know. Let's get to know. Let's go to connect, like connecting. No, okay, yeah. Okay, so the same concept. I keep wrapping around, wrap it around, going round and round. Yes, round. Okay, so this is how the hair look after I buzz braid it. Like braiding, I would say after braiding. So the next step is for me to now get a hair and wrap. That is how I wrap it. Now you can say African threading the extension. Okay, family. It's your girl FineHair. Welcome. If it's your first time here, hello, welcome. And I hope you're learning how to temporarily lock your hair. Yeah, temporarily lock your hair. Okay, so we continue. You might be asking, how did I do it? All I did is wrap this hair around from the root all the way to where her natural hair ends. Once I do that, then I now go back again, wrapping it all back, like back to the root. So the same concept is, what is it? Is it our jumbo or medium? You can call it medium lock, medium temporary lock. So who can do this hair? Like I was mentioning now, how will you know if your hair is damaged and you did this hair? If you braid your hair or if you lock your hair, thread it, or any hairstyle, and when you're taking it out, a lump of it coming out, it means that you did not put a lot of oil on your hair or moisturizer. So hey family, this is how this hair came out. You see, all nice and pretty. So this is how to bead your hair. I promise I was going to show you. You will need your crochet needle. You put the hair. I just do that one. So you see, you grab the hair extension and you latch it, pull out the hair very gentle so you don't jank. The person said, then I'm going to show you doing it in two, right there, and there you go. You do it and you latch it and you bring it out. Then the next, for you to get a rubber band, then you band it, go again. You can do as many as you want. You can do 10, but yeah, do what work. Yes, it's cute. It's better. Yes, I'm better. Now, this is a waist length. You see it right on her waist. Yes, it's a waist length protective style. And she's gonna rock it and rock it. And it's going to be better and better and better. Okay, thank you. And yep. This was awesome, and my model for this hair, she was the best to use for this hairstyle, and she liked it. I love it. It's pretty. Yes. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this video like we did, and feel free to comment, feel free to like and share. Let's get better and better. Yes, better and better. Thank you for watching, and please share, like, give this video a thumbs up.